Wil near Freiburg. In the mid-1970s, people organized protests against plans to build a nuclear power plant. And it worked. Politicians and the plant operators abandoned the plans. The resistance was just too great. But for many people, it's clear that protest alone isn't enough. We need visions too. At the Eco-Institute in Freiburg, the concept of the energy transition is born. This leads to projects that set an example for successful environmentalism and climate protection worldwide. The architect Rolf Disch causes a stir with his heliotrope, a rotating house that turns to follow the sun. It generates more energy than its inhabitants consume. And just a stone's throw away is the solar settlement. More plus energy houses built with natural wood. The model neighborhood of Vauban proves that it's possible to live an environmentally conscious lifestyle without giving up comfort. Freiburg is also home to the first passive high-rise building in Germany. It was created through a comprehensive retrofit of an existing building, which also took into account social factors. Solar cells, energy efficiency, system optimization. How can we cover our energy demand with 100% renewable energies? This question is what drives the researchers at Freiburg's Fraunhofer Institute for Solar Energy Systems, the largest solar research institute in Europe. The University of Freiburg, too, is working on ecological innovations. At the Sustainability Center, an interdisciplinary team is developing future-oriented technologies and solutions, together with the 5 local Fraunhofer institutes as well as partners from industry. Freiburg's new town hall. It's the first public plus energy building worldwide, and it shows how cities can take responsibility for their own buildings and set an example for their inhabitants.
In Freiburg ist es normal, dass man nicht nur niedrige Energiehäuser hat, sondern dass man Plus-Energiehäuser hat. Passivhäuser sind Standard, wenn bei uns gebaut wird. Es ist üblich, dass wir in öffentliche Gebäude BHKWs, Blockheizkraftwerke einbauen. Wir haben ehrgeizige Ziele, was die Verkehrsvermeidung angeht. Also wir sind gut unterwegs, aber wir sind unterwegs und noch längst nicht am Ziel.
More and more people in Freiburg use emissions-free methods of transport. Who needs their own car when they have a free ride on the 2 major bicycle paths that cross the city? The tram network is constantly growing and connects every neighborhood quickly and conveniently with the heart of Freiburg. Our city has over 190 permanent public parking spaces for car-sharing schemes, which include a growing number of electric cars for forward-looking, emissions-free mobility. Freiburg's University Library. A lighthouse that shows students it's possible to learn both comfortably and sustainably. The path to success for Freiburg's solar industry began with Solarfabrik, Europe's first zero-emissions factory for solar modules. Today, the company, M10, is setting new records at this site with a super-fast automated stringer that makes it significantly cheaper to produce solar modules. On Freiburg's largest industrial estate, dedicated companies have joined the city's Green Industry Park initiative. They want to operate sustainably and make efficient use of resources, transforming this district into a unique brand. One example is the company Pfizer. The international pharma company has established a Green Journey program and shares the experience it has gained from this program with all of its individual branches.
In unserem ältesten Industriegebiet haben wir viele sehr unterschiedliche Unternehmen, Industrie-, Dienstleistungs-, Forschungsinstitute. Die Idee ist, diese Unternehmen zu vernetzen. Diese Kooperationen wollen wir schaffen, um einfach die Unternehmen dazu zu bringen, darüber nachzudenken, wie nachhaltig zu wirtschaften ist, und wollen ihnen gleichzeitig Hilfestellung geben, dieses in die Tat umzusetzen, sodass wir nicht nur eine ökologische Stadt, sondern auch ökologische und grüne Industriegebiete haben.
Intersolar in Munich. Another success story which began in Freiburg. More than 50,000 visitors and 1,300 exhibitors attend Europe's largest solar exhibition every year. Today, there are also Intersolar events in Dubai, San Francisco, Mumbai, and Sao Paulo. The Green City Freiburg, home to green pioneers, a hub for sustainable ideas and projects, and an example for people and communities worldwide. Welcome to the Green City Freiburg.